Guess who's back?
OMG, not you again. Please go away.
Nope, I can't do that, little son of a bitch boy.
Oh please, I will do anything.
No, I will stay here and that's final.
Well, I'm going to kill myself in the next 4 hours.
Go do that. I don't give a fuck what you do.
Okay, fine. That's just fine. I will be better off without you in the school.
Okay class, let's learn our shapes and sizes.
Now ooh 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 ooh